Hey everyone, Paulina here with Supademo, back for another round of product updates. We've got a powerful set of updates to share for November, all focused on making demo creation, editing, sharing, and analyzing faster and more seamless. So let's jump in. First up, a highly requested improvement to the Supademo recorder. You can now set a default save location for all new captures. Supademo will automatically remember the last folder or workspace you used, so every time you hit record, your demo is saved exactly where you expect it to be. Next, we've added simple but powerful undo and redo controls. So, whether you're adding dynamic variables, updating elements, or replacing images, you now have even greater edit control. While working on the editing experience, we also tackled a long standing captions issue. Up until now, captions only worked if you used the AI voiceover feature. But if you uploaded your own video or recorded your own voiceover, the captions just didn't show up, which meant you'd have captions on some steps and not on others. Now, anytime you upload a video or record your own voice, Supademo will auto generate captions for that audio. And even better, you can edit them. Using the new Edit Captions button, you can fix any misheard words or phrases quickly. We've also given our share page a glow up, making branding controls, settings, and share links now easier to find and navigate. Whether you're generating a personalized link for one person or a dynamic link you can share at scale. The goal is simply to make sharing faster, clearer, so that you can actually start collecting viewer data right away. And speaking of viewer data, we have rolled out an update to our data analytics. Supademo Analytics now supports CSV exports, so you can download your viewer data, engagement metrics, timestamps, countries, and more. This is perfect for those teams who want to run deeper analysis using their own tools or BI dashboards. Finally, we're now offering CSP compliance on demo hubs for all enterprise customers. This ensures hubs embed cleanly and securely inside environments with stricter security requirements. Okay, and speaking of demo hubs, this is not a new feature, but something worth calling out. We at Supademo have quietly sprinkled demo hubs all across the Supademo app. So anytime you're stuck or exploring a new workflow, just click on the question mark icon to launch a demo hub from within Supademo and search our library of interactive demos that will walk you through key features in seconds. We also wanted to give you a sneak peek of what's coming next. First up, we have been quietly working on a huge new feature, a smart interactive video recorder. Imagine a Loom-like experience but powered by Supademo intelligence, giving you the freedom to record your screen or camera with auto zooms, dynamic framing, and branded backgrounds. Capture professional grade videos instantly and then share them immediately as either a simple video, or you can convert the video into an interactive Supademo, complete with CTAs, analytics, hotspots, chapters, and more. This will combine the speed of recording with the power of interactive product storytelling, all within one platform. Another feature we are so excited to bring to you is an expanded customization for hotspots. This includes more color options, adjustable radius for shapes, external link support, and even invisible hotspots for really clean, subtle interactions. These upgrades will give you more design flexibility and control over how users experience and explore your demos. That's all for now. Thank you for tuning in. All of November's updates are now live, so feel free to jump in and explore, and we'll see you next month.